Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got these into stock and thought I'd crack these open and get a first look at them. As far as what's included, looks like the box contents. You got the HomeTroller ZEE, AC power adapter, a Z-Wave interface, Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Okay. So I got a couple of screw holes there for wall mounting if you want to do that. Your patch cable. A couple other parts here. And of course you got your quick start guide. For more detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.